everybody and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. My name is Isa and today we're going to be making sourdough loaf from scratch. We have Benny with us. She is thriving and she's doing all of the things. I fed her this morning, so she is, do you see this? She's ready to go. I'm going to be following a recipe that I found on how to make a sourdough loaf from scratch. And first things first, I'm going to be doing everything by grams, be showing you exactly what's happening here in my very cute little lettuce bowl. How adorable is that? This is the only glass bowl I own, so that's what we're working with, because I keep hearing from the grapevine of sourdough czars out there, glass and or wood, and I don't have a wood bowl, and this is the only glass bowl I have, so we're just going to make it work. It's going to be fine. So we need 125 grams. Got my scale out. Now when baking bread, weighing it out is significantly better than using cups. Just gonna say. And then we need 362 grams of warm filter water. My water is at 109 degrees, which is like tepid water, so should be fine. So we need 362. Probably should have measured this out before, but we're fine. Here we go. 162. Take my little whiskey business, and we're just, don't do it on your scale. We're just gonna whisk that up really well. You do not want lumps of sourdough starter. That's gonna be gross. Let's be honest here. I think we're good. You want it frothy as such. We've got it nice and frothy. Then we need 500 grams of bread flour, because I did my sourdough starter with all-purpose flour. They say just to use bread that you used for your loaf, so I'm just going to use all-purpose flour. Is it going to froth up? So frothy. Should be fun. Should be fun. Don't think too much. Don't think too hard, because apparently the rules don't matter. Well, they matter, but it's like loosey-goosey. You know, we're fine. We are fine. And then we're going to do 500 grams all-purpose flour. So I'm just going to start very gently putting in my flour. As some of you know, I used to live in California for a very long time, and though it was unfortunately, my least favorite location that we lived in, sorry Californians, just wasn't for me. I will say though, I miss sourdough. Huh. That 10 out of 10, I'll say that much. We're at 300, 400, Jesus Christ, this is a lot of flour. Okay. I feel with my attire, I'm very much giving cottagecore tavern wench. Cue the medieval music. Well, there we go. We have 500 grams, and we're gonna take our spoon, and we're gonna mix it up until we have a shaggy dough. That's what I've heard. Up to the side, we're just gonna mix it up. Nothing crazy, just so we have a shaggy dough. Comes together. I won't lie, they say bread making, it's so therapeutic. Don't believe them. This is our shaggy-ass dough. And I will see you guys in an hour to do our first set of stretch and folds. And we will go from there. See you guys. Okay, so it has been an hour, and I will do our first set of stretch and folds. Hands are wet, and then we just take it from one corner, lift, just pull, and stretch over. Just keep going around. Getting some nice stretch, so that's good. Feeling very, very happy with the lovely pull. Now what this does, I have no idea. And keep going around. Alright, I think that's good. It's forming a dough-like situation. We'll put our nifty little shower cap. And then I will see you guys in 30 minutes. Okay, doodles! Okay, it has been 30 minutes. My hands are wet, and we're gonna do our second set of stretch and folds. So we're just gonna pull from one side, like that. Do you guys see this? How, like, I'm sorry, I'm like geeking out. There's like bubbles forming and it's not as sticky. Now I'm gonna do the stretch and folds twice around. Like I said, I really don't know what this does, so your guess is as good as mine. That's good for now. And we're gonna take our little shower cap situation. Over the bowl she goes. More time. And I will see you guys in 30 minutes. Okay, bye. Focus. Thank you. All right, it's been 30 minutes. We're gonna do our third set of stretch and fold. Surely it's third. That's what I'm going with. Hands all wet. And now we're just gonna lift it up and stretch. Lift it up and stretch. Lift it up. So far this is going well. I don't feel like I've totally effed it up, so that's good. Have an audience. Still mind me. I'm feeling good about this. She's doing sourdough things, or at least what I assume are sourdough things. And one more. And I think that's good. So, we take her, we cover her up, and I'll see you guys in 30 minutes. So, bye! Alright, so this is our fourth little stretch and fold, and we're gonna continue on forth in our magical adventure. Just gonna pick it up. Oh my god. No, I didn't put water in it! My hands! I'll be right back. Okay, hands are now wet. Just gonna pick it up and fold it over. Pick it up and fold it over. It's fine. Pick it up and fold it over. Very optimistic about this. That was 4 stretch and folds. She's doing great. And now we're going to let her bulk ferment for about 4 hours, just chilling on my counter. We're gonna neglect her for a little bit. She's gonna do some soul searching. It's fine. Grab our little thing and cover her up and forget about her for 4 hours, and I'll see you then. All right, so it is the next day. She has doubled in size, so now we're ready for the fun part where we just let her flop right out onto the floured surface. So this should be fun. Come on, be free of your shackles. Yay! If I remember correctly, just gonna very gently. Oh, did you see those bubbles? I already forgot all the steps. We're gonna double check our work here. We wanna create tension. Very gently handle her. I think that's good. She looks fairly, some tension, some good bubbles. So that's good. And now we're gonna take a damp towel, cover her for about 10 minutes. But hopefully, at the end of this, we'll have a spectacular loaf of sourdough. So, fingers crossed for that one. So, I've got my cute little cloth. I'm going to dampen her up. I'm going to take our cute little cloth. We're just going to put it over. We're going to set 10-minute timer and I'll see you guys then. Alright, it has been 10 minutes. We're just going to uncover her. She looks very happy. Very lovely. Surface tension. Lose that. So we're just gonna got her in my hands. She feels funky fresh. We've got a little bowl and we're just gonna pinch this together to keep that tension, I guess. Take my nifty little shower cap and just put it over. We're gonna let her hang out for a smidgen. I'll see you guys later tonight for some yummy, delicious sourdough. Okay, so we're back. It is 4 o'clock. We started this around 11:30, so it's been several hours. She's done the overnight thing. She's done all the things that we want her to do, and now she's, of course, doubled in size. So we're gonna take off of our little situation. We'll do a little poke. She's did stuff. So we're gonna just take this. And we're just gonna very very quickly. Look at her go, she's beautiful! Alright, I am going to, with my little knife, do a little incision, if you will. And just cut it just like that. We have my lovely assistant here, and he's dealing with all the hot things because I'm prone to accidents. So we're just gonna take her, plop her, oh she's a little big, right in there, put the lid on so don't touch that, and we're going to pop her back in the 500 preheated oven for 25 minutes, and then we take the lid off, bump it down to 450, and cook her for another 10 minutes until she's like nice and golden and does all the beautiful things. So I'll see you guys then. Okay, so we're about a minute away from my sourdough to come out of the oven, and when I tell you, she looks so good. So good. Just you wait. You're ready to go. Now, for the piece de resistance. This is why I make these little things, but look at her. Isn't she beautiful? Oh my god, that's so hot. Yes! Now, we have to wait until she completely cools before I can bust into this bad boy, okay? And then I am so excited. She smells spectacular. This is amazing. This is incredible. We're gonna let this cool and you'll see. Okay, so we're gonna do this satisfying, oh look at that. Just how soft. And we're gonna cut in. Oh my god. Wish I had a better knife. Oh my goodness. Look at it! Can we take a minute to like appreciate the squish? Alright, my dear husband. Come and partake in my very moist sourdough.
Pretty good.
Oh my god. I did it. I did it. Yes. This is a joyous day, folks. Joyous day. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Click that little bell notification so you know every time I upload. And subscribe to become part of our weird little family. And as always, I love you guys very, very much. Till next time. Bye.